Here is all patch panels in VCE. The first one is shielded blank 1U patch panel. It is 24-port or Rackmount Cord Management for Keystone jacks. The length is 19 inches. Available for RJ45 USB HDMI Cat6A, Cat6, Cat5e, Cat5 Keystone. Use with shielded Cat6A Keystone jack and other Keystone jack connector. The second one is blank patch panel. Wallmount or Rackmount 24-port Keystone jack black patch panel cord management with black bar. Available for RJ45 USB HDMI Cat6, Cat5e, Cat5 Keystone. Use with Cat6, 5e Keystone jack and other Keystone jack connector. The third one is 1U CM Brush 1U brush strip horizontal server rack cable management patch panel. Network cable manager brush 19-inch. The fourth one is Wallmount or Rackmount 24-port Cat6 RJ45 Ethernet patch panel. Applicable scene: large-scale machine room, large data center,